In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store to download free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, just exit Play Store and go into Settings. Now tap on Apps, Default Apps, and Home App. Finally, click Launcher Pro and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, tap on Allow All for it to work properly, and wait. As you can see, app layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. If you want to make any changes, just enter Launcher Pro app and manage all of those options however you want to. If you wanna go back to your default launcher, go back to the same section in Settings and tap on Moto App Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!